So dito naman tayo sa Western Conference Semifinal between Timberwolves and Denver Nuggets. Um, Dito sa game na to, like gaya ng sinabi ko noong una na yung sa defense uh, ng Minnesota, no, ang ganda talaga ng depensa nila against sa West sa Denver. So tingnan natin dito sa game to kung uh, defense pa rin ang mamamayani o defense pa rin ang uh, magbibigay ng uh, panalo o sa malin man sa dalawa, no? So tingnan natin. Okay, let's do it.
Good evening, everyone, from Denver, with the defending champions trailing at home in this series that so far is giving them all they can handle. At the start of the conference semifinals, Jokic inside, finding Gordon, who struggled in game one.
Nice start, Gordon.
But they get the two. The Timberwolves with the ball for the first time. Towns
nice class.
Anderson goes over on Jokic. Shot clock is down
Oh,
to 5.
ganda tapik.
He had 7 turnovers in game one right there. McDaniels to the other side.
And that's McDaniels' first bucket of this series. 0 for 7 in game one.
Oh, nice one.
Scoring inside Jokic. Karl Anthony Towns, beautiful stroke, puts it right through. Timberwolves, one of 2 unbeaten teams in the playoffs so far. 3.
Oh, sigurado yan, Towns.
Didn't he self-proclaim he's the best big man shooter this league has ever seen?
Jokic right down the middle into 2 defenders. Towns
Nice.
right to the
Nice.
Mike Conley, who has some really good games against Denver this year. He probably plays this team as well
Ant-Man.
as Edwards will drive and
Nice drive.
There was a slither of D.
That's a 3.
That's huge.
That's a big
Ganda ng start ni
confidence
Gordon.
number right there for Gordon. Towns on top. Gordon's right there. Reed
Oh.
fires over
Diretso pa rin. Ganda pa rin pinagawa ito ni
fourth quarter in
Reed.
game 1 with 14. Gordon on the step.
Tumabawi si Gordon.
What a
From
start.
game 1.
We talked about
Huge for him.
Isa pa?
Gordon, quarter 3.
Kaboom!
Another one. Each team shooting 50% or better.
Oh.
Towns, the mismatch on Murray. Collides.
Mismatch na mismatch.
certainly there was contact, right, guys?
Look at the weaving Edwards.
Oh!
Floats and
Beautiful move here by Anthony Edwards.
And Alexander Walker the other way.
Oh.
And right into Porter and got it to go. Here comes Jokic and doubled quickly, but both Reed and Anderson. Corner 3.
Nice one.
Put down Justin Holiday. Jackson will blast his way down the
Oh.
lane. Picked up by Kyle Anderson. And back out it goes for Monte Morris, a 5-year
Oh, ganda ng drive.
He sails in.
Jamal Murray, at the end
Reed.
of that quarter, as he was walking to the
Woo!
bench, Josh Reed knocks down his second 3 here of this first half.
Towns
Grabe, siyempre,
into Holiday and over
galing
Jackson.
talaga.
Jackson knocked it away. Another turnover.
Patay.
Finally got it. Feeds to McDaniels.
Oh! Kapit!
What a great block. Towns.
Ganda. Galing talaga.
Timeout Denver.
16
And
na, oh.
now the Nuggets trail by
McDaniel.
16. Alexander Walker 3.
19.
21 to 3 Minnesota run. With Murray taking it right to the rack and getting his first basket tonight. In fact, they've trailed by 9 or more in all 7 games.
Reed.
3 is in. What a stroke. The shot clock again. Deep in single digits down to 4. Porter will take it.
Nice. Eurostep.
The deuce.
That was the only mistake, but it was right there.
1-on-1.
Anthony Towns showing too
Oh,
Jokic
nice.
trails in for 2 and got it to go, but again, defenders draped on both shoulders. Working inside is
Nice pass.
They're
Slam
highlighting
dunk.
Aaron Gordon tonight, and he is not disappointing with 15 points for the champions.
Oh.
Picked up by Anderson, back to Towns. They stuck with
Sipag.
Flying in there was Jackson. It's picked up by McDaniels. Look at the speed of Edwards the other way.
Say it again, Kevin.
It's the biggest lead.
The speed.
Oh!
Up and through.
Walang
Reed is
second line of
standing
defense.
as the defensive assignment of Jokic. In the corner, it's a 3, and it Goes down. Another good shot by Justin Holiday, who had a 3 off
Ah!
the bench in game 1. Anderson gives it off to Edwards, who cuts off that baseline and slams it in. He's got 14, and he's got 10 in the second quarter. Here's
Hindi mo
Porter down low.
Ah!
Knocked away by Reed.
Aba!
3 blocks. Knocked it away again. Jokic sticks
Ah!
but couldn't get it. And a rebound for Reed. Edwards the
Sobrang
other way.
defense yun.
Alexander Walker, 3.
Oh!
Look at this. Here we go again.
With another turnover.
Ant-Man.
Edwards the other way. It is amazing with the points.
So, yan sinasabi natin, first quarter, it's a hell of a defense ng pinapakita ng Minnesota. At kitang-kita natin, hindi makaporma si Jokic at saka si Murray. At saka si MC pa ba yun? Si Porter Jr. Kasi sila yung tatlong pinanggagalingan ng puntos ng Denver, no? So, let's continue kung ano mangyayari, kung makakabawi ba yung Denver dito o hindi. At kung ipapakita ba mas magandang defense ang Minnesota dito. Okay, let's continue.
Turnover totals look like tonight.
Oh!
And a tomahawk there by McDaniels. Murray trying to untether himself from McDaniels. They switch with Towns. The shot is away good. Nice shot by Jamal Murray. Murray's got it. Shot clock at 4. Weaves inside.
Ah!
Jokic picked it up. Look at the congestion around him. A 24-second shot clock violation. Conley got free of Caldwell Pope. Rebound. Towns right around Porter with Jokic in the vicinity. Biggest lead for the Timberwolves. There goes
Edwards slide.
Sliding his way right down the lane. Jokic galloping down the
Nice
paint.
one.
He took that one with authority. There goes Edwards steering his way into the circle and finally
Oh,
Anderson
nice drop.
for an easy 2.
Sa patres?
That's a 3 put right down. Alexander
32.
Walker. Holiday with it.
KC.
Porter fires a 3.
Porter Jr.
Beautiful. Terrific shot.
MPJ.
Conley makes a move, followed by Caldwell.
Oh, nice drive.
Caldwell
Nice drive.
Pope has got the bad ankle. Edwards outside the lane. He's
Reed.
kicking it back out. Reed.
Anong pagbabago ang tira ni Reed? Parang
He has
stroke.
been just terrific from distance. Caldwell Pope.
KCP.
Two-point shot over Anderson.
I jump.
Down court in the corner. Looking at it right there. It's a feed.
Nice.
They're gonna Holiday to Jokic.
Anthony
Pero,
into his office. About to go
overrun na
to work.
overrun dito, ang Denver.
Spinning,
Oh!
firing, double, get it!
Hang time.
Murray the other way.
Two things that
Oh, nice.
by Jamal Murray.
Porter on the move. In the corner, Holiday 3. Another one. He's got 2 in this one. Off the bench for Denver. Shot clock at 3. Reed over traffic. It's Porter into a couple defending Timberwolves. And stolen right out of his grasp by Alexander Walker. Monte
Super.
Morris 3. Missed it badly. Picked up Jokic. Down court. Porter
Go
is
ahead.
there. Over the shoulder. Jackson takes a shot from 3. Jackson against Reed on the switch. Good feed.
Oh, nice pass.
Jackson with the assist.
And Minnesota working on 6 straight.
Or Tuesday, Yep.
4 straight versus Phoenix.
Yes.
And there's
Alexander Walker.
a 3 by Alexander Walker.
Murray plies his way inside.
Oh, nice one.
Edwards on top. He'll put up a 3.
Yari. Bullseye. Kaboom.
In the corner, good fake. Holiday will launch. That's a triple.
Great minutes by Justin Holiday.
Isn't this something?
This dude got kicked out in a 14U game.
I did. Shout out to my Rotary boys.
Got kicked out.
Towns with a 3, puts it up and in. With his 3rd 3-point shot tonight, Anthony Edwards. Spinning, gouging his way into the paint and got it to go.
Galing.
Foul called. Down court quickly. Murray sets,
Murray.
fires 3. No. Caldwell Pope
Oh.
skies and puts it back in.
If Jamal Murray is going to struggle like he's done in games
There's
1
no
and 2,
way.
there's
There's
no
no
way
way.
they're going to win anyways. He's 3 of 18, 0 of 4 from downtown.
Murray's the catalyst. Here comes Conley. It's a nice J right there. All three of his kids were born here in Denver. He's got fans and friends in the area.
He has so much love for this city, and he said before this series started, these
Oh.
are some of my true best friends. While I am
Nice outlet
competitive,
pass.
if you're going to
For
go
three.
down, why not go
Kaboom.
down against your good buddies? That doesn't seem to be the case, obviously, but he said we have so much respect for the best team in the world with the best player in the world. He said if you want to progress as an organization, you should want to play the best team.
Edwards accelerates into
Oh.
for two.
Wala talaga ang second line of defense ng Denver.
Picked up by Julian Strawther.
Usually guys like this don't get a chance. Oh, look at the move here by Garza. The footwork. Like he's been there, done that.
I think I would look at putting Murray at the 2-guard full time just to get unlock his scoring hat. Get him some easier runs, get him moving side to side.
Nice
get him running
line.
a little bit more.
Rondell Moore out of Duke. Pickett.
Nice jump.
And Denver is going to be held under 100 points by Minnesota for the fourth time in 6 meetings this season. Timberwolves have gone up 2-0 in this series on the road against the defending champion Denver Nuggets.
Ayun na nga. So guys, makikita natin no, yung defense talaga ng Minnesota. Kitang-kita at na-overwhelm talaga yung Denver. At siguro hindi nila napagandaan yun. Isa pa dyan, wala pa dyan si Gobert. I think meron siyang personal reason. So, overall talaga, wala, second line defense wala. And talagang hindi kaya yung malalaki ng Denver. So, it's 2-0 ng Minnesota. And tingnan natin si Game 3 kung anong kalalabasan, kung mapagyas ba uli ang Denver or mamamaya na uli ang Minnesota Timberwolves. So let's find out next game. And by the way, thank you very much for keep watching, and please do like and subscribe on my channel and on my Facebook. Okay, so thank you very much, and okay, next game again. Okay, I think mamaya may laban ng hindi ko lang alam kung sino magkalaban mamaya. So, magbigay lang reaction doon ano. Okay. See you.